Let's see if I can hit my 5K profit target trading NQ futures today. But first, time for a coffee. For my first trade, I was looking at one of my favorite levels. We had confluence lining up, we had context lining up, and there was also my favorite entry criteria. So I took this trade on even a bigger position size. I kept this trade open, and then I was just trailing my stop loss boxing price in to make as much profit as possible. Not a bad start to the morning with over 1K in profit, but there is one thing that's missing, and that's another coffee. For my second trade, I was looking for a momentum trade to the downside because I just seen a demand into supply flip and I wanted to go with weakness. This was another quick scalp short trade. I even wanted to build this position because I've just seen a nice liquidity grab into the 50 SMA on the 1 minute time frame. I just kept the trade open, trailed my stop loss to box this price in again. And now we can see the markets are getting more volatile. NY has just opened. I was going with the trend once again, trading based off candle structure and locking in another trade. I was then quickly jumping into another trade and trailed my stop loss. This was hit pretty much at break even. And now I'm just trading this massive volatility. Saw a beautiful opportunity on the candle structure, took a long trade and closed that one for good profits. Happy with how my day was progressing, I decided to take a break and get some exercise. First a run to warm up, followed by a push day. Once I was back home, I jumped straight back into the charts. For this next trade, I was seeing a nice candle structure again, so I was just going with weakness and pretty much going in and out of these markets pretty quickly. I have a solid profit pad, so this is time to scalp trade the markets and just compound this account. So here I'm just taking quick trades, one after another, locking and compounding these profits. If I see strength, I'm going with the long trades. If I see weakness, I'm going with the short trades. There's just one more trade, saw a quick weakness, quick trade, 4 contracts, and out of this trade. In the end, I ended up well over my daily goal with $7,000 in total profit.